You've already interacted with the HTML in a Wikipedia page via your browser's developer tools. Now, let's figure out how to get that HTML into Python so we can work with it programmatically. I'll start with an internet search for Python request web page from a URL. Okay, this first link looks like it's from the Python 3 docs, which is great. I'll click it and see what it says. Let's take a look. This yellow box stands out. The requests package is recommended for a higher level HTTP client interface. Higher level is probably what we want. Let's try to keep things simple for our first attempt at getting a page from the web. I think I'll try using the request package. Okay, the docs for the request package are a little bit silly. It says safe for human consumption, so that's reassuring, I think. Here's a simple bit of code to get us started. I'm going to try it. Because requests is not part of the standard library, I'll need to get it installed first using pip. pip3 install requests. Okay, that's now installed. Great. Now I'll fire up the Python Interactive Interpreter to test the example code. I'll copy the format of this code to get the HTML for the Wikipedia page on the dead parrot sketch. First, I import requests. I'll call the variable response. It's a bit more descriptive than the R in the example. Response equals requests.get parentheses, and inside the parentheses I will put the URL for the Wikipedia page on the dead parrot sketch. The example code shows several things I can do to get information out of this response object, but what I really want is to see the HTML of the page itself. That's held in the text attribute of the response. Let's print it to have a look. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of content on this page. I recognize some of the tags we might expect to see. There's an anchor tag and there's a div, but it's a little difficult to read this. It's much more difficult than just looking at the rendered page itself. So it looks like a lot of text, but let's just check what type this response.txt actually is. Okay, it's just a string that contains all the HTML of the Wikipedia page.